What if America built a bomber that could enter some of the most heavily defended airspace on Earth, without being detected? No giant engines. No swept-back wings like the old bombers. Just a strange flying wing shape designed to disappear from radar. This is the B-21 Raider, America's newest stealth bomber, and one of the most secretive aircraft ever built. The B-21 is being developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force as part of America's next generation of long-range strike aircraft. And unlike many futuristic aircraft, the B-21 isn't just a concept. It is real. The Raider is designed to operate deep inside heavily defended enemy territory, where traditional aircraft could struggle to survive. Its flying wing design is one of the biggest reasons for its stealth. The aircraft has no conventional tail, and its smooth surfaces and carefully designed edges help reduce the radar energy reflected back toward enemy radar systems. But stealth isn't only about the shape. Almost everything about the B-21 has been designed around surviving in a modern battlefield filled with advanced radars, surface-to-air missiles, fighter aircraft and electronic warfare. And that's where the B-21 becomes much more than just another bomber. It is designed to be a networked aircraft. That means it can share information with other aircraft, satellites and military systems, helping it understand what's happening around it and respond to changing threats. But there's another reason the B-21 is so important. It is being designed for both conventional and nuclear missions. That means the same aircraft can potentially perform long-range conventional strikes while also forming part of America's nuclear deterrent. And the B-21 isn't being developed to completely replace just one aircraft. It is expected to gradually replace America's aging B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit fleets, while working alongside the B-52 Stratofortress. Think about that. The United States is preparing to operate a bomber force containing an aircraft designed in the 1950s. Alongside one designed in the 2020s. But perhaps the most interesting part is what we don't know. The B-21's exact capabilities remain classified. We don't know its complete weapons configuration. We don't know the full details of its sensors. And we certainly don't know exactly how difficult it will be for an enemy to detect. Even its first flight was surrounded by secrecy. The aircraft was officially unveiled to the public in 2022, and it first flew in November 2023. Since then, testing has continued as the Air Force works toward putting the Raider into operational service. And unlike the B-2, which was incredibly expensive and difficult to maintain, the B-21 has been designed with easier maintenance and a larger planned fleet in mind. The Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 B-21, although the final number could be higher. So why does America need another stealth bomber? Because the battlefield has changed. Modern air defense systems are becoming more capable. Radar networks are becoming more sophisticated. And countries such as China and Russia are developing increasingly advanced systems designed to detect and defeat conventional aircraft. The B-21 is America's answer to that changing battlefield. It isn't simply designed to be fast. It isn't designed to dogfight. And it doesn't need to look intimidating. Its greatest weapon may be the fact that you might never know it's there. The B-21 Raider represents a completely new generation of American strategic aviation. A bomber designed not for the wars of yesterday, but for the wars of tomorrow. And perhaps the most frightening question isn't, how powerful is the B-21? It's this: how close could it get before you even knew it was there? If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe the channel to get more such interesting, aviation and military related historical videos.